Hello, hello. Good evening, everyone. Please let me know in the comments if you guys can hear me well and proper, yeah? So we have Claude Billionaire. Welcome, welcome. Hello, Lynch. Good evening. Yes. So, ano po new EWT count kay Bitcoin 85K na ba? We'll see later. Okay? Anyways, so Bitcoin is now at 70,000, guys. Who would have thought this is actually pretty new? Yeah, so we'll talk about everything in a while. Okay, so we have Elron. Good evening, good evening. Julio, hi, hi. So this is a sudden, not a sudden live, right? But like very important live tonight. So again, we're not available. I am not available in TikTok live. So if you have any friends, family who are watching in my TikTok lives, please ask them to follow, subscribe in YouTube, in my YouTube, so you guys get updated, right, with cryptocurrency. Hello, Stephen. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, so let's have a start, everyone. Yes, let me open up my chart. Okay, so let's see the monthly of Bitcoin so far. We have 20 days, to close it. But the February candle was pretty bullish in that sense. Yeah, pretty bullish. Now, if we talk about all-time high is sitting up in here. Yes, let's see 2 weeks so we can see that all-time high. All-time high, it's at 69,198. Now, what happened is actually pretty unusual, first off, and it's the first in crypto history that it has happened wherein the Bitcoin broke the all-time high before the halving. Okay, halving, guys, is about to come. That's gonna be like, I guess, 39 days from now only. So, be ready with that. And so far, with the current 2 weeks candle chart, um, looks pretty bullish so far, but then again, we still have to wait for the candle close. The last candle close natin, guys, which was yesterday, ito, pretty bullish, guys. Now, if you think about it, this one was a 37, almost 40% pump. One candle only, right? Now, the current candle of our 2 weeks chart has 13 days and 12 hours. So you can say, by the end of um it's 2 weeks. So with that said, anything can happen within these 2 weeks. Okay, it can have a rejection and close off, or possibly do more highs from here. Because if you think about it, everyone, we are literally at the price discovery. Bitcoin has just entered price discovery, and this is again the first of first, wherein we are doing it pre-halving. So, if I am to assess from here, what we can expect with Bitcoin now is that, for me, okay, since this is new for me as well, is that it's gonna continue to go up, finding some new prices, but during the halving, it will have the correction. So that's my take, guys, that the correction will happen, okay, during halving. So it will occur during halving. The correction on the higher time frame. Okay? So let's see right here. We had the short position March 6th, right? By the rejection area. But then again, Bitcoin is pretty strong. This trade got invalidated. Yeah. Um Now we just have to let the Bitcoin play. And so far, it can go high and high as as it can, or it wants. But then again, by halving, remember everyone, during the halving, that's where we're gonna see big market changes, and I may, you know, a correction may happen. Correction in a sense that, oh miss, is it gonna go to no? Is it gonna go to till down here? No. I'm expecting a retest at the previous all-time high if we push through. Okay, if we push through. However, if we do a rejection or we get a rejection by the 2 week candle that we had, diba, earlier, um, then we will be able to see like 54, okay, 46, this kind of levels, the green levels that I have note last live. Still the same. Okay, everyone. If there's any update on the further, further data that we will be able to gather, I will let you know naman, guys. But so far, this is still our demand zone. All right. Now, Bitcoin, let's check. Because so far, if you'll see about this is the one, this is the two, and ongoing three tayo. And so far, if we check the Okay. So if we check by the trend-based fib, we're literally hitting the 1.3 right now. But then again, like I said, Bitcoin can continue right now. We're literally at the price discovery phase. So I'm gonna be expecting roughly around 79, or you can say, below the 80 region price of Bitcoin for the third wave. Okay? And then, like I have said, when the when the halving will happen, that's gonna be the correction part of this impulse. It can be, a short type of impulse only, and it can continue. It can be a long type of impulse. Where I'm talking May, June, July. It can happen, and around somewhere like something like this. But then again, so far where the Bitcoin is standing, it can literally go up right now. It's pretty bullish. Lots of people are shorting Bitcoin, and the more you fuel it like that, it's just gonna go up. That's the thing. So let's see some comments if we have any question. Okay, darling, good evening, good evening. Yes, we have Jack. Good evening. Good evening talaga. How's your portfolio, Jack? Mukhang maganda yung yung evening natin, Hello, EU. Naks naman. Only girl crush. So, um, Julio, as you said, ate, every bull run is special kaya hindi ni-respect ni Bitcoin ang all-time high. Correct. So, like I have said before, every bull market, every cycle will have its own, quality. But so far, for the past bull run that has happened, everyone, we have not broke all-time high before halving. This is the first time. That's the thing. So that's the fun thing that we have to, it um keeps us on our toes, right? It's like, oh, we have to plan, we have to plan. And that is what we're doing right now. Yes, we have to plan properly by all, technical aspect that we're seeing from the market. And hopefully you guys will listen, and we'll see, right? Um Now, hello, Crypto MD. Let's go, guys. Kudos to everyone who bought Bitcoin with us at 15K or under 20K. So, if you guys were able to buy around that time, the 20K, 15K, yeah, you would be obviously 2x minimum right now. Yeah, 2x. I have asked some people to buy at the very bottom prices, not Bitcoin, but altcoins. Prices wherein people won't even touch. Hmm. Yeah, I have asked people to buy. Way, way before November that I have posted in my bull run plan in my premium. Okay, guys, for those who does not know, I have a premium membership wherein you have access on trade alerts. Okay, as you can see in the middle, intraday trades. One of our intraday trades today, guys, just hit TP1. Yeah. And I have posted, I guess, like three new entry coins for the bull run plan. So this is this is our premium. And if you're interested with that, just check the description box below. The link will be there. Okay. So, um, Darren. So since this doesn't follow historical data, this is the most unpredictable bull run, or not really, not really. No. we're not even at the, we're not even at the halving yet. And as long as the TA, or how we analyze the chart and the market itself, the movement, flow of money, outflow, and everything, it's fine. So you cannot say unpredictable. All signs are there, and I guess one of the things that pushed through this new event with Bitcoin is that the ETF. You guys have to understand that at this point, all major, money is now going with Bitcoin. Back then, we don't have we don't have, banks, firms interested in, investing cryptocurrency, right? Not even countries. Right now, El Salvador's their reserve is what? Bitcoin. So there's a lot of factors, and not only retails traders now are in cryptocurrency, but big. I'm telling you, the world is looking at Bitcoin. So that's one thing. No wonder we broke the 70 level, and we're having that price discovery. So going back to the TA, yeah, section, guys, I want you to take note. If Bitcoin is gonna pursue higher from here, 78,000, okay, around this area, roughly around this. So I'm not, I cannot give an exact point of number. You guys know that, right? But a zone. So around this zone, expect some rejection, okay? So that's one thing that I want you guys to note down. Just plot it with your chart, diba? So let me remove this one now. This one is done. And so far we have this one up in here. I'll lock it up. And we have one, two, yeah, this can continue to go. Okay, one, two, five is just about to form. If you think, if you'll see about this, five is just about to form. Oh, okay. 1 minute for this one. Let me have a check in here, guys. Okay. I know we have been moving, in a channel for the past what, 2 weeks, yeah. So far, something like this, and mhm. And in this channel, guys, there's a lot of takeouts. If you see this one, we have fakes out right here, taking people off. This one right here as well, if you can see, another one in here. Yeah. So what are the chances that we're gonna have another one in here? Tama. You have to understand in market psychology right now in trading, even if you'll see it by the data, tons of people are shorting Bitcoin. And in this area, if you notice, there's a lot of liquidity up in here. So by today or tomorrow, don't be surprised if Bitcoin does something like that. And I'm not even. My minimum target with Bitcoin is not even 80. This is just this is just by the TA. But before the pre-halving, I mean sorry, the halving, right around here. And by the halving season, maximum target with Bitcoin you can expect would be 100 to 125 at least, you know, maximum pre-halving, roughly around that area. So, where were we? Yeah. Okay, let's see some comments. Okay, so far no questions. All right. Let's see. This one is done. This one as well. All right. So guys, again, Bitcoin, it can continue higher than this. Okay. higher than this. Where we at right now, it can continue. So let's see some other coins. Ethereum officially just hit 4,000. 4,000, 4,000 guys, okay? And I have been telling everyone by 2,200 only, where the price of Ethereum was to buy. Not even around here. It was just like roughly what? Roughly around this area. Even at this area, I was telling you guys, for those who were watching, my live in YouTube. This was October, right? So if you did, or were you were able to, buy, that's what, 3x, minimum 3x, everyone. So these are the prices again, right? That most of the people won't even touch. Now that they see Ethereum, oh, now it's 4,000. Now everyone wants to buy. Now everyone are asking entries. Entries for, to be honest, you all are late. To be honest, pretty late. The minimum return that you can get out of this, let's see, 7, it's 100% maximum. For those, who literally just came just now. But then again, Ethereum just broke the control, and like I have told you guys, when Ethereum was just around this area, correct? It was just around this area, February, March, like right here, before before this yellow line. I told you that Ethereum has a big chance of hitting the all-time high again, given that the Bitcoin during this time was literally sitting at the all-time high zone. So yes, Ethereum still has a move up, so expect that maximum to 40,600. Okay? We can expect from, all the way till there. And given that, Ethereum is having ETF as well. No wonder there's no proper correction. As you guys can see, this one is off the TA. No proper correction yet. A very strong impulse currently. So you cannot really like predict where it can possibly um go off. But by the help of this trend, yeah, maximum we can expect maximum 4,900. Yeah, 4,900 everyone. Okay. So let's see. Even though it's stuffing off, but this is the thing, guys. Can you see this? RSI, MACD. These are not pretty helpful if we are dealing with a parabolic market like that. Okay, that's why it's very important for you to master your price action, right? So for those who does not know, I have a crash course that is gonna be happening this week. Crash course. So if you guys are interested with that, please let me, let me know. And just give me a sec. If we can see it in here, for those who are just like, just got it in here. Sorry. This one. Where were we? Uh-huh. So crash course, guys, again, it is your chance to be learning price action, not even, using any indicators. And I will be teaching in there, Crypto MD will be teaching in there his own data analytics, how to read market by data. By I mean data, different sectors from crypto market. Now with me, you'll get the full on technical analysis lesson. So if you guys are interested in leveling up your technical skills, especially reading market, like what you see right now, pretty unpredictable, no? So, what if I was not there, right? I tried my best to give out my thoughts with the market, that much it can help everyone, but there will be days that you will be sitting, facing your phone or computer, and seeing your trade, and no one will be there but just you and your thoughts, right? So, it would be better, guys, if you are well equipped with knowledge. So again, If you're interested with crash course, please let me know in my Instagram. You can message me. Okay, if you're in the Discord, but I don't recommend in Discord, guys. Do not message me in Discord because I cannot see it. So much better in Instagram. It's okay? So let's go back right here. All right. So again, Ethereum is 4,000 right now. Let me remove this yellow line. Now it's done. And again, maximum it can hit is roughly. Sige. So let's see SNX. Someone was asking earlier. Okay, March 4. I remember someone was asking for SNX, and then I gave you guys some rough idea on where to, where to enter a buy zone back then. Yeah. And so far we hit those, those buy zones by by weeks, like this one. Can you see? So if you were able to get onto the trade like this, you would be up like 50%. But then again, it's not yet over for that, huh? Um, this is for short term, for those who were asking for short term trade. Now, for long term, you can maximum target SNX by 8.6, that I can say. And so far, in this case, I myself, if I am holding the trade right now, the short term trade or futures trade, I won't be exiting due to the fact that SNX is literally waiting to have a breakout. Did you guys see this? I was just observing this myself. Yan. About to break out. So, give it time. I know it is so choppy, but then again, this is not the time of altcoins yet to move. One thing, Bitcoin and Ethereum is gonna lead the market at this point right now. Then after that, then you'd be able to see, can you see this? Then you'd be able to see all altcoins hitting minimum, guys. I'm saying minimum 5% up. Minimum. So far, wala pa. Right? So that so far, yeah, that so it's preparing to have the breakout soon. And for those who are in my premium, yeah. So this is one trade that we have in premium. Just give me a sec if we can see that. Okay. Let's try to open our intraday right here. Right here. Okay. So everyone can see. Yeah. Oh, my bad. It's not showing. This one, but oh, this one. Yes. All right. Mm-hmm. Why is this one in this area? Okay, let me pick it up. Okay. All right. So this is the premium trade that I have given out back February 27. Yes. And I said AVAX long position. I did not put stop loss given the fact that Bitcoin and all aspect was the scam weeks were about to happen. That I have, no stop loss. Now, take profit 45, 320. We just hit it. TP1. And I have note down in here, this is a long term. It might take weeks. So, please chart for managing your risk. That's what I have stated because we do not have a stop loss. If you know how to manage your risk, guys, your liquidation price is almost to nothing. So it does not matter if AVAX is gonna have a scam week, which it did ha. Ito, can you see this? Ito mga scam weeks na yan. It did. Yeah. So right here, um, we are still holding this one. We just hit the TP1. I'm not even letting it go. That's the thing. It's gonna be very bullish right now. Okay, so ING miss, let's check that later. Sol is pretty bullish. It's moving bullishly. SNX done. Miss, dahil sa ETF parang di na uso yung retrace dahil mas mga institution ang nagmamanipulate. Not so in manipulation. This is normal, normal move up. Pretty common. This parabolic movements to the upside, yung mga wala ng retrace. Usually guys, this kind of movements, you should be seeing it after the halving. But again, since we have the money, big money coming in Bitcoin, we broke the all-time high pre-halving. Okay? So Miss Dot and ICP, yes, I have posted, guys, I've posted everything for those who does not know, huh? Right here. I have posted in my intraday Bitcoin report, bull run plan, everything. Today only, guys, I have given out three new points for bull run. So, if you are in premium, please check that out right now. If you're not, I'm telling you guys, what's $30 if you're gonna make minimum 2x? Yeah? That's the thing. So, Alisa Nicole, when's the crash course gonna start? This week we're gonna have the intro already. Okay? So, if you guys want to get on to crash course, please message me in Instagram. All right? Hello, Carl. Good evening. Um, Nicole, 1 month, how is how much again po? Are you asking for premium again? 1 month is just $30, guys. Just $30. You get everything. Bull run plan. You also get intraday. That also, quality setup. And not only that, you get Google Drive lessons. And for those who does not know, the new Google Drive lessons are much more better, precise, and easy to, understand. So if you want to learn on your own, diba, self-study, and you don't want to go with the crash course, you don't want to have a one-on-one or one by group, diba? By group kasi. We're gonna have live sessions talaga sa crash course. Sa premium, you're just gonna have some recorded lessons about, the topic. That's the difference between the two, ha? Okay? So, Miss Sage, ilang percentage po win rate nyo? This month, Sage, I'ma tell you 100%. I'm telling you. And I'm not even lying. This month. My account, I started a Binance account 2 months ago with just $2,000. And now it's up what? It's up $22,000, but I already took 5%, $5,000 profit off. I withdrew. Diba? You need to learn how to take off the profits and enjoy some. Tama? So far from 2,000, just last month, it's now 17,000, which I have currently in account, ha? But the 5,000, supposedly everything should be 22. But I took out 5,000. So yeah. Flo Kino, Miss, since big institution is interested sa crypto, possible kaya ma-manipulate nila ang Bitcoin since they have unlimited buying power. Okay. So big institutions, yes, they're there, but I'm not quite sure that they're gonna manipulate the market like that much. The play is gonna be the same, but there will be scam weeks. Like weeks of like selling. Obviously there will be big wallets that's gonna be selling, and that's pretty normal. Now, the big institution, everyone, you have to understand, they're not looking short term. These guys possibly might not even sell their Bitcoin anymore. I'm telling you. Why? Bitcoin is limited. There's no Bitcoin that's gonna be minted again. Okay? There's only 21 million. I'm telling 21 million only of Bitcoin. That's there's gonna be. So, as much as possible, hold on to your Bitcoin. These big institutions that we're talking, like BlackRock, they're not thinking 3 years or 5 years from now. They're thinking 20, 50 years from now. So no, I don't think that they're gonna be buying, selling like that. There will be like some cases, but not so much. Okay? Like look at El Salvador, that country, right? They bought Bitcoin roughly around 30 or 40. Look at Bitcoin now. And let me tell you, Bitcoin dropped 50% from there. It hit 15, right? 16, 15. So imagine El Salvador, they didn't even sell. What they actually did was they bought more. And now Bitcoin is hitting what? 70,000. Yeah? Especially yeah, anyway. So okay, sulit yung course guys, avail nyo na. Yeah. Elron, sulit yan. Sabihin ko na din dito, testimonial ko. Started 500K this year, 1.1 M na as of today. I'm telling you, $30 is nothing. If you're really serious with trading, it's nothing. Okay? Miss has no liquid in result of 100%. The thing that I do not have no liquidation is that by my risk management. Yeah? By my risk management. Anyway, so let's go back right around this area. Okay. AVAX, can you guys see that? Let me open 5 minutes chart, huh? That looks pretty bullish. So, can literally like continue. I'm telling you, 15 minutes, if you see the candles, can you see how parabolic that is? Almost 90% degree. Talagang nag ano siya, no? Parang nag-took off. Yeah. ICP, still, again, guys, do not expect the altcoins to be moving right now. I want you to look at Bitcoin, 72,000. Crazy, right? 72,000. So, Bitcoin, Ethereum, these are the big boys right now that you should be watching. If you are trading with the low cap coins, altcoins, mid cap, understand why they're not moving. It's not yet their time. Okay? So I guess that's it for this evening, everyone. I hope you guys are well updated with Bitcoin. If you guys just, if for those who are late, you can watch this live again and watch the Bitcoin, yeah, values, everything that I have just stated in this live. So that's it. And yes, please hit the like button if you are, to get proper knowledge out of this. But yeah, I'll see you guys next live session. All right. Now, for those who are interested with Crash Course or the premium, please message me in Instagram for quick, discussion. All right. So have a good evening, everyone. I'll see you guys next session. Bye bye.